If you click this video because you cannot focus anymore, good. You are about to understand why your attention feels broken and why it is not your fault. Because your brain is not malfunctioning. It is reacting exactly as evolution designed it, just not for the world you live in today. Modern neuroscience from Stanford, MIT, and Harvard all point to the same truth. Your brain was built for survival, not for infinite notifications, not for multitasking, not for constant stimulation, and definitely not for switching attention every 5 seconds. So if you feel scattered, overwhelmed, or unfocused, nothing is wrong with you. Your brain is simply overloaded, and overloaded brains cannot focus. They enter survival mode, and survival mode shuts down deep attention. Today, I will show you exactly why your focus breaks, and the steps you can take to fix it. Steps that actually work, not productivity clichés, not motivational fluff. Real science, real psychology, real results. Let us begin. Your brain has a limited amount of attention. This is called your attentional capacity. Think of it as a spotlight. Bright, powerful, but narrow. The prefrontal cortex controls this spotlight. This is the area responsible for planning, logic, and deep focus. But there is a problem. Your spotlight keeps getting pulled away by apps, by messages, by background thoughts, by endless micro distractions. And each distraction has a cost. Stanford calls this attention residue. When you switch tasks, a part of your attention stays behind, like a ghost of the previous task haunting your current one. So even if you return to your work, you are not fully there. You are fragmented. MIT found that after a distraction, it takes minutes, not seconds, to recover full focus. Every ping steals a slice of your brain. Every tab left open divides your capacity. Every mental reminder drains your bandwidth. No wonder you feel burnt out. Your attention is not broken, it is exhausted. So ask yourself this: how can you focus if you never give your attention a chance to rest? How can your spotlight shine if you keep shaking the lamp? Here is another problem. Your brain is addicted to novelty. Novelty triggers dopamine, and dopamine screams for more. So when you scroll, your brain says yes. When you switch tasks, your brain says yes. When you open another tab, your brain says yes. But the truth is this: dopamine does not care about your goals. It cares about stimulation, and stimulation kills focus. This is why long tasks feel painful at first. Your brain prefers little bursts of easy pleasure, not the slow burn of deep work, not the quiet focus your tasks require, and definitely not discomfort. But here is the part nobody told you. Your brain can relearn focus. It can rebuild the ability to sustain attention, just like a muscle. But you must train it the right way. So let us fix this. We begin with the first rule: reduce input. If your brain receives too much noise, it cannot focus. Your attention collapses under the load. So remove what does not matter. Close unused tabs. Silence notifications. Put your phone out of reach. Your brain cannot ignore these things, so take them away. Second rule: create a focus zone. Your brain associates places with behaviors. A library equals focus. A couch equals relaxation. A kitchen equals chores. So choose one location for deep work. Sit there consistently, and your brain will learn. It will say this: we are here, so we focus now. Third rule: protect your working memory. Working memory is the mental desk where you hold ideas. If it is cluttered, you cannot think. So offload everything. Write your tasks down. Do not store them in your head. Your head is not a storage device. It is a processor. Fourth rule: make your tasks smaller. Your brain rejects anything huge. It sees a large task as danger. Unpredictable, unclear, threatening. Shrink it. Turn it into one micro step. Your brain accepts small. Your brain begins small, and small begins everything. Fifth rule: commit to focus sprints. 10 minutes, just 10. Tell your brain this. We are not doing the whole project. We are doing 10 minutes. That is all. Your brain relaxes, your spotlight strengthens, and you enter depth faster. Sixth rule, remove attention leaks. These are invisible drains on your focus. Open tabs, background conversations, cluttered surroundings, inner worry loops. So reduce them. Clear the desk, use headphones, close the browser. Your brain will thank you. Seventh rule, build dopamine after starting, not before. This mirrors the science. Dopamine rises once you begin, not once you think about beginning. So take the smallest action, open the document, put on your shoes, write one sentence. Your brain will release dopamine, and dopamine will push you forward. Eighth rule, rebuild your attention span. Your brain must relearn stillness. It must relearn boredom. It must relearn how to stay with one thing. Practice sitting quietly for 90 seconds. Look at one object. Breathe slowly. Let your mind settle. This retrains the networks responsible for sustained focus. Ninth rule, remove hidden multitasking. You multitask more than you realize. Tabs, notifications, mental switching, background listening. Stop doing 5 tiny things at once. Do one thing well. Your brain becomes sharper instantly. 10th rule, respect cognitive load. Your brain cannot hold infinite information. It is not a hard drive. It is a fragile system doing its best. So lighten the load. Choose less, expect less, focus more. And now we reach the truth. The truth nobody told you. You cannot fix your focus through willpower. Focus is not willpower. Focus is environment. Focus is design. Focus is clarity. Focus is reduced noise. Focus is trained attention. Focus is dopamine used wisely. Focus is the absence of distraction. Focus is not something you try to do. It is something you create. So when your focus feels broken, remember this. You are not broken. Your brain is not faulty. You are living in a world designed to fracture attention, but you can reclaim yours. You can train it. You can strengthen it. You can rebuild it. And you can focus again. Start small. Start now. Your brain will follow. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Mind Expander insights.